Hey friend, welcome back to my art studio. Today I'm going to show you how to create a unique and personalized home decor piece using popsicle sticks. I'll be making a mountain themed design because my living room is mountain themed, and since I was having such a hard time finding the perfect mountain decor for my tables, I decided to make my very own. But feel free to choose any shape that inspires you. You might want to create a heart, an animal, or even an abstract geometric shape. If you don't want to freehand your design, you can always find a basic shape online, print it up, and use it as a template. What's great about making your own home decor like this is it really allows you to put your own personal touch on your home, and you can make things you can't find in the store.
Oh yeah!
All of the basic supplies you'll need are listed below and can be found at the dollar store. Grab them and let's get to crafting! First, start by stacking and gluing the popsicle sticks to form your desired shape. Keep adding layers and gluing them until you reach your desired height. Once your shape is ready, it's time to add some color. I chose aqua because I'm a bit obsessed with this color. Feel free to get creative with your colors and patterns. Next, cut out a piece of foam to fit the back of your shape. This will give it a nice finished look and make it more stable. After cutting your foam, hot glue it to the back. You can paint the foam piece to match or complement your design. It's totally up to you. For more do-it-yourself tutorials just like this one, click right here on this playlist. And if you haven't yet, please make sure you subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and happy crafting. Bye friends, live and love art!